In today's video, I will be using Ambunu for a full wash day, and I will be leaving it in my hair. So I start by mixing a little batch of Ambunu, as I have discovered that a little bit goes a long way. In the last video, I used a bit too much. After adding the Ambunu to the water, I just leave it in without mixing it, without agitating it for 30 minutes. And I did this because I did discover a video where the maker of the video, mother, is from the Tuareg group in Niger, and they use the Ambunu, and that's how they do it. So I decided to try it in this manner. And after 30 minutes, that's when I then go ahead and then mix it up, and then I proceed by applying it to my hair. So in today's video, I'm leaving my Ambunu in, so I just basically apply it and scrub my scalp, and then I then use a comb and a brush to comb the leaves out. But in that same video that I mentioned, I will link it down below. She did say that they actually remove the herbs by using a fine tooth comb, but I'm not there yet, so I'm gonna stick with my wide tooth comb and then my brush. In my last video, I did use the Felicia leatherwood brush, but in this video I used the wide tooth comb, and this one is the mixed chick brush because I just wanted to try different tools and see how it works, and it still seems to be working pretty good. Detangling is still a breeze for me. I quickly wanted to show the difference with my dry hair and then the other side of my hair that has the Ambunu in, and it's a major difference. Like, I'm trying this product and I'm surprised every time I use it. My coils are clumped together, they seem moisturized, very easy to detangle. And this is the other side that looked dry. I proceeded by adding some Ambunu to it, of course, and it looks amazing. Because I am leaving my Ambunu in, I use a towel to just try to dry off the excess water, and then I just apply a little bit of oil. I massage my scalp and I seal all that goodness in my hair. I twist it, and that was it. So basically, that video that I linked below, it's a video that is in French, you know, for those of you that speak French. So according to that video, she explained that that's how the Tuareg women use it. So I tried to follow the instructions as much as possible to try to recreate it, and I was amazingly shocked. I wasn't trying to do a braid out, I just did it. The goal was just to stretch my hair and restyle it. But while I was taking my braid out, I saw like this defined braid out, so I just wore my hair like that. I did add a little bit of a moisturizer, just a little cream moisturizer, and I use the Obia Natural Sweet Almond Heavy Cream, and that's it. And I just wore my hair like this for, I believe, 10 days. So I will come up with an update.